Alright guys, here's a look at our room at the Palazzo in Vegas. This Palazzo is all new, all suites, so all the rooms are suite style. You can see you got a little desk here with the L-shaped sofa, pulls out into a bed. We'll get you guys further up that way. You got a little dining area right here. This is one of 3 TVs in this suite. Get you guys turned around. This particular room has a view of the back of the hotel, which gives you a view of the airport. The sphere that they got here in Vegas, that thing lights up multiple colors at night. That's pretty cool. But you can see a lot from here. You can see the pools down there, and if you get further over here, you start to see part of the strip, and over there is the Palazzo. So you can catch quite a bit from back here. So it ain't as bright either. So we'll keep moving forward. This here is your mini bar. You can see it's fully stocked, but if you touch anything in there, it probably costs you quite a bit, but we didn't need any of that. They also give you some water, some snacks, and things like that. Well, they don't give you, it'll cost you if you pull anything out of there, but that's nice. As we move forward, you have this little peninsula thing that separates the seating area from the bed area. Nice marble top on that, looks really nice. Here's your thermostat. The AC works really good in here. Your 2 queen beds, they're pillow top. They are really comfortable. And this place gives you 4 pillows per bed, which is awesome. Don't mind the mess. At the end of each bed, you got these ottomans, so you could sit there, put your shoes on or whatever. Over here, you have some artwork on the wall. This is another little dresser that you can put your clothes in. It comes with a couple wine glasses and drink glasses there, and of course your ice tub. Move around over here. Here's the other bed. Each bed has lights above it that are individually switched, and of course the shades and all that all work off of a button, so they're all mechanical. You can start to see them close right there, so that's pretty nice. As we move forward, you come into the closet. Lights up when you pull the doors open. Comes with a couple of robes for you, and of course the safe, an iron, so that's all nice. And there's a laundry bag in there if you need it, and a tray for your luggage. Then we'll come down the hall. I guess this is for adjoining rooms. As you come down the hall here to the exit, you can see you got a big mirror on the left here, and this is the door into the bathroom. It's a big bathroom. Don't mind the mess in here either. As you can see, you got a full walk-in shower, nice glass doors with a tub, and then you got your full vanity. And then you can see you got a TV in here too, so that's the 3rd one. Then you have this vanity section here for the ladies putting on makeup and stuff like that. And then of course you have the bathroom and its own little unit, which is really nice. So this is a really nice hotel room. If you catch the right day, you can get it for cheap. Near the weekend is not the right day, so don't try to book it then, but it's really nice. So we highly recommend the Palazzo if you are coming to Vegas, so try to book that room.